Hey fellow Dota 2 fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to high-five in Dota 2. In Dota 2, high-fiving is a fun feature that allows players to interact with their teammates or opponents in-game. To initiate a high-five, you just have to hold the control button and press the button dedicated to your first inventory slot. You can check which button your first inventory slot is dedicated to by going to Settings, by clicking here, and under the hotkeys menu there's a section called Items, as you can see right here. You can see my first hotkey for the item is spacebar. So for me to initiate the high five command, I just have to click on control and hold it and then press spacebar, which will initiate the high five command. And this is my ally. If my ally does the same, we can high five like this. You can also do it with your opponents. I'm going to demo it right here. This is my opponent. This is a very neat way to celebrate teamwork or flame your enemy after denying their creeps. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!